I've seen about 15 different chiropractors since I was 19 years old. I played a lot of sports, probably had a lot of undocumented concussions back in the day, but I had my first traumatic brain injury when I was 21, just after having my first boy. I got run over by a horse at work. It was a draft horse. For the horse people out there, you know, you know what that could be like. So I couldn't eat. I couldn't feed myself. I didn't really remember how to walk very well. There was a lot of inflammation there. It took me about 6-7 months to get back to myself. That's when I really started to look into alternative medicine for care, because Western medicine and just like the hospital, they just sort of shipped me out. I didn't have any aftercare. There was no neurology plan. There was nothing. I just went into emerge and came out. A year later, I hit the back of my head coming out of the shower, and that was traumatic brain injury number 2. And then COVID happened, and I wasn't able to see any more doctors, and I wasn't able to go, and you couldn't go to the hospital right unless you had COVID. So from there, I had a lot of vertigo, headaches constantly, all day, every day. Working, going to university, trying to be okay, and then seeing different chiropractors, and I just wasn't getting the relief that I knew that I could be getting. It felt like my atlas was slid up under my skull, like inside the back of my skull. And I never found a chiropractor who could do anything to help me. And then I saw Dr. Craig online. I saw his videos about the occipital lift, and I knew right away that that was the adjustment that was gonna fix that, and it did. And so we make the drive, we take the time to see him, and it's you know, it's far, 2 hours both ways. I see him twice a week, but like I said, I feel relief. I have relief now. My memory's coming back from the brain injuries. I had like really severe memory loss. There was a lot of issues. I couldn't bring my heart rate above 120 beats per minute, and I would pass out just from the pressure inside of my head building. I can exercise now. I just took my son rock climbing the other day. So very appreciative of Dr. Craig.
If you are a comfortable drive from Loving Life Chiropractic at 842 Byron Avenue, Ottawa, then I would love to invite you to come over for a nice cup of tea, because I'm a Brit and I like tea, and a free 15-minute consultation with me. If you're outside of Ottawa, I have some tips and exercises for you. In both cases, just click on the title of this video at the end to access the description and those gifts.